It's Mr. Davis's brother working the phone there for the Oakland Raiders here at the NFL Draft in Radio City Music Hall. They've made their pick. Then the commissioner coming to the podium. Could we have a shocker here? They go to a receiver other than Crabtree. It's possible.
Oh, I think it is possible. I think it's either Monroe or one of the receivers, and Al's a height, weight, speed guy.
With the 7th pick in the 2009 NFL Draft, the Oakland Raiders select Darius Heyward Bey, wide receiver, Maryland.
Talk to me, Mike Mayock. Talk to me.
I took him in my mock draft, even though I've got him rated as a late one, because that is a classic Al Davis pick. He is a height, weight, speed guy, the fastest guy at the combine. My issue is inconsistent hands, and to me, that is way earlier than he should have been picked.
We've been talking about this pick for a long time, Mike, and you said it a long time ago, and Mike Lombardi said it too. Mr. Davis wants speed on that football team, and I know Tom Cable, the new coach over there, is glad to have him. Now, you've got Darren McFadden from last year, Jamarcus Russell the year before. They've got their triplets right now, they think.
You're our Mr. Davis expert on the set, John Gruden. What do you think?
Hey, look, I know he loves speed. I remember standing on the field one day when James Jett ran by, and he asked me if I could feel that. You can feel Darius Heyward Bey. This guy is big and fast. I'm a little surprised he went this early, but at least Jamarcus Russell has a big-time target to throw to. Their leading pass catcher at the receiver position last year was Johnny Lee Higgins with 22 grabs. So now we got a big guy. We can do whatever we want with this guy and use some of our complementary receivers to fill in and help us out. But he's an interesting pick here at number 7, no question.
Here's the deal. You got a quarterback at number 1 in Jamarcus Russell. You got a tailback at number 4 in Darren McFadden. Now you've got the wideout at number 7. They've got all the skill positions covered. I hope they block some people this year.
Well, we talked about them maybe taking an offensive tackle. Now they're going to pick number 40 again here in the second round. So maybe there will be an offensive tackle left for them to take then.